There's just a fire right there. I rushed into the scene right now. I shot over there as fast as I could. I don't know if you can hear me. There's a engine right there. There's two fire engines, one total. Okay, there's a fire truck right there. I heard something. Looks like another fire truck appeared. Here comes here the Barangay Alabang City. Which is witnessing. I rushed in here to the shot over there. So I rushed into the scene right now. I rushed into the perfectly good. There's nothing we can do about it. Everyone is over here now. What's happened here? What's happened? Tell me, bro, what happened to the fire right there?
Nothing.
Alright guys, he's saying nothing. Commander, what do you want to say? What happened to this fire on it? So, sir, what happened with it? What if the fire went out? What happened?
Ask the owner of the house, this guy right here.
Okay guys, right now the fire guys are also already here now. You guys, those guys are in the area right now, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A lot of fire trucks are here now. One of them there had lights. There's I don't know what just I'm witnessing. I'm sure this is like a fire or something. I don't know what just happened. Right now there's a fire right there. There's a smoke. There's a smoke. Crazy on that. What just happened? But I don't know what just happened. I'm gonna tell her wife. Hey, there's a fire right there. There's a fire. Why don't you rush to the scene right now? Okay, guys, I told her wife right now. Was rushing to the scene on it. I don't know if you're witnessing. There's a fire truck. One more there. One more there. A lot of them. That is a lot, guys. This is not good, guys. If you had these fire trucks on it, this one has a flashing lights. I don't know, but this is the other one right there. There's a flashing light right there, and guys, this is not good, guys. And I don't know what to do right now. The Barangay Alabang fire guys are already now here. My dad is very terrible here. This is very terrible, guys. This is not good. This is not good, bro. And you see there's a smoke right there on it. If you've seen that, comment down below. Comment down below what just happened. And I don't know what just witnessing.